Capricorn, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical ailments at an all-time high, plaguing us at the age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But before that, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is being true to myself, being true to your original plan. This is why I'm getting as a download and a message for you today. Do not give up. Right before you think the time is impossible, you've been working so hard and it's not going to be a breakthrough, that's where you swing the axe and then you hit gold. Stay true to the original plan. You come too far to stop now. I am true to myself and others. I remove my mask and stop creating illusions. You are a real sign. You're not into lies. You're not into illusions. You're into facts. You're into logic. That's why everything that you work on manifests and actually becomes into the 3D and works out for you, because you're not fake and you're not worrying on manipulating anyone. You bring the facts, the cold hard facts, and you bring it to life. I have confidence in who I am, which you always do. And I reveal the good in me. I do not need to hide or prove anything. I replace shame with power and love with truth. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. And please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. I love you.